Budgeting is a cornerstone of financial well-being. It's about understanding money coming in, controlling the money going out, and planning for both the short and long term. First, know your income. This isn't just your salary. Include any side hustles, investments, and occasional windfalls. Consistency is key, so focus on regular income when starting your budget. Next, track your spending. Every coffee, every bill, it all adds up. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet. This isn't about cutting joy, but about awareness. Small changes can lead to big savings. Now, set financial goals. They can be as immediate as saving for a new phone or as far-reaching as retirement. Goals give your budget purpose and help prioritize your spending. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regularly review and adjust it. Maybe you got a raise or your rent increased. Keep your budget aligned with your current financial situation. Remember, budgeting is a skill. It takes practice, but it's worth it. Start simple, stay consistent, and watch your financial health improve. You've got this.